Our expectation with this very interesting and relevant interdisciplinary project that involves several universities worldwide is to contribute to interaction among people mediated by the ICT and the internet platform, and taking into account diversity like a positive aspect and contribution for this interaction.
This project will bring our university to collaborate this kind of international level, also improving our research networks.
Our expectations involve a lot of collaborative studies that come out of this diversity-based analysis of data. We want to work with Trento specifically for the iLog or collection of data to see how students in India and how students across the world are unique and diverse at the same time.
Our expectations from this interdisciplinary project, which involve multiple universities worldwide, is to advance science around diversity and inclusion, as well as impact society and people. We expect WeNet to bring to our university a wide collaboration with very interesting researchers and academia, as well as industry, in this field of supporting diversity and inclusion.
The WeNet project is very important in the context of the Mexican society because it gives the opportunity to use high technology, artificial intelligence, as well as social technology to address important problems.
We expect to establish a multidisciplinary cross-cultural research team with scientists and sociologists from different universities worldwide through WeNet, and work together on diversity and the next generation of AI technology in education.
Our major contribution to this project would be specifically how we look at Indian students in classrooms and what kind of interactional information we gather from this project.
Collaborating with the pilots experiments and some other, to some extent, to some other work package of the project.
Specifically, our contribution to this project is around incentives and how to turn AI algorithms that focus on incentives more aware of diversity and more considered of diversity aspects of humans in computerized platforms.
We hope to be able to interact with the 11 countries that are participating in the project, and we look forward to make contributions with the hard work we will be doing here in Mexico.
Our team includes professors and graduate students from computer science, psychology, sociology, education, and management. We focus on the AI not only with IQ, but also with EQ, that will improve users' emotional interaction experience.